said he was going to get rid of them, get rid of Comey, no matter what the AG said.
Actually, Chris,
and he said that he was going to get rid of him no matter what the AG said, because he didn't like what he was doing on the Russia probe. So it's not just about what Rosenstein wrote in a memo.
I said the president was in a deliberative process. He was in a deliberative process and included the AG and the recommendation from the deputy AG. But he ultimately makes the decision based on a lot of factors.
He said he was going to fire him no matter what they recommended.
So why is that a violation of any law? What law does that violate,
it is.
Chris?
I'm saying it's a violation of what you laid out as a premise,
no violation,
which is he can't be investigated because he only followed their advice. He says he did not follow their advice.
Chris, do you think the President of the United States has the authority to fire the FBI director for whatever reason he'd like?
I think that is fairly
James
clear.
Comey
I think the circumstances around it could also be something worthy of inquiry and investigation.
Okay, so James Comey in his testimony said the president has the right and obligation, authority to fire the FBI director, and that he serves at the pleasure of the president.
Right.
End of inquiry. And he was terminated.
Well, but does that mean you can fire somebody for absolutely any reason? Obviously not, right? We saw that with Watergate and in other instances.
No,
why you do something matters.
Don't conflate bribery. Don't conflate those issues with an issue like this.
Why is bribery more worthy of a standard to uphold than obstruction?
Because obstruction, the executive is obstructing with itself. That's what you're saying? By taking action that they have the authority to do? The president has, let me ask you this question. You're a smart guy. Does the president have the authority, for whatever reason he chooses, to terminate the FBI director? Like James Comey said, he serves at the pleasure of the president. Does he have that authority?
He has the authority to get rid of the FBI director, but corrupt intent should be part of the analysis.
Well,
it's certainly worthy of looking at, because what you would be suggesting...
Where is that in the law?
Well, but that's not in the law. But that's an interesting legal question. Is there a direct statute on this?
That's what I do, interesting legal questions.
Is there case law precedent on this? No. That's what Dershowitz is relying on.
Well, no, that's not true.
Actually, there's somewhat of an open question. This has never been directly litigated, and you know that.
No, but there's been memorandums from the Office of Legal Counsel, the Department of Justice, going back almost 50 years and going forward as recently in the 2000s, that on these issues of obstruction, that the president cannot, when he's doing this kind of activity, because it's inherently his constitutional power. And that's all I'm saying.
But that doesn't...
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's